Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we have on the ground. This is a 2019 5x10 off-road trailer in a matte gray blackout package. This one does have the matte gray aluminum with the blackout package, giving you guys a black diamond plate rock guard up the corners and on the front. You also have an extended triple tube tongue. This one does have a generator platform and a removable heavy duty bulldog coupler here in the front as well. This one is equipped with the LED strip exterior lighting, so you've got one light on each exterior side of the trailer, which is what these little guys are that you're looking at. They're LED strip lights. They're really bright, they're really nice, gives you guys some light so you can see what you're doing at night, obviously. Roof rack with ladder. This is an aluminum roof rack up there on top. You've got a full ladder here on the side to access that. 3,500 pound torsion axle, 32-inch mudterrain tires, black American racing wheels, and a black diamond plate fender there as well. You guys can see great ground clearance on this unit. Side door does have the RV lock and a cam bar, as well as a gutter. Here's one of your windows. Drop down stabilizer jacks into the back. This one also has a rear ramp door with a spring assist close, and it has the rear deck option on it, so you guys can turn this in and make this ramp door essentially parallel with the ground and give you guys some exterior living space there. Get you a good shot of this side. There's another one of those strip lights you guys can see right there above that window. Interior, insulated walls and ceiling. This one has a silver aluminum wall and ceiling liner in it, trimmed out with black to match the blackout package. Looks super cool inside. You also have a 6-foot interior height, and then we also have the nudo floor with Drymax. Nudo is this black product that you guys see right here. Underneath it is Drymax. Drymax does not absorb the water or moisture, so it's a far superior product to have on the underneath side of your trailer for longevity purposes. 4 D-rings in the floor as well. Got 2 there, 2 more. A nice roof vent with a Max Air bubble cover over. Wanted to give you guys a closer shot of the windows. These are 15 by 24 slider windows with screens. They are tinted and you can lock them, so nice feature there. 3 interior LED puck lights, so you're gonna have tons of light in this little trailer, and that's what these guys are. They do have toggle switches on them, so you guys can control those individually, or those will work off of your switch right here. Each one of these is going to turn on the exterior lights on the outside, so you can control what side of the trailer you want to light up at night. You also have recessed E-track here in each of the walls. And again, try and give you guys a better shot here of how cool this trailer is on the inside, with it all trimmed out in the black to match the exterior. So here it is. We're the exclusive home of the off-road trailer. We're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. And if you guys are interested in ordering your own off-road trailer or buying one from stock, please give us a call, 303-688-8485. You can always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have awesome shipping options available for you guys. We have a transporter that runs for amazing rates. You guys can call and get a quote if you don't live near us. And as always, again, give us a call. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485.